Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm getting ready because we're going to be going to the beach and we are going to make some homemade sandwiches, and these are going to be made out of queso de puerco. Let me turn the camera here so I can show you guys what we're doing. So we're going to be adding to our tortas some jalapeño, tomato, some onion, and this here is called queso de puerco. We're going to add some mayonnaise, mustard, some lettuce, some provolone cheese, and some refried beans. Okay, I'll show you guys the process in a little bit. We're putting our bread to toast for just a couple minutes. Just warm them up. See, a little bit of butter. And once we have these ready, we're gonna apply the frijoles and the rest of our toppings, okay? So we put mayonnaise on our bread, and next we are putting beans, just a light layer. Frijolitos fritos. If you guys need a recipe for that, I have a video for that under frijoles, and so you guys can learn how to make that. We're gonna add our jamón de puerco. That's my husband cooking, or sorry, preparing our sandwiches. Okay, so he's saying he's adding 2 layers so we get a good mouthful when we're taking a bite. Yummy. Adding our tomato.
Sánchez, tu pan, mi amor. Te está preguntando tu abuelo.
So right now, you're hearing a lot of background noise because we are at my mom and dad's house and we are prepping our sandwiches for our little getaway to the beach. So just family gathering up, making some lunch. So we have our picnic basket that we have here. And my mom told me that these tomatoes are organic because she is planting tomatoes in her garden. So that's pretty cool. Unos chiles jalapeños. Next layer is some onion. Let me take this out of the way. Uy, qué rico. Más aguacate. We're gonna add some lettuce. We're gonna add some Swiss cheese. So here we have our finished look. So here we have our finished product. Una torta de queso de puerco. Look at that. Ooh, yummy. Okay guys, hopefully you guys try this recipe at home. And that's my mom trying to eat it in the background. Try this recipe at home. Let me know if you guys like it. And I'll see you guys very soon. Provecho.